Hey there, cooking enthusiasts and kitchen gadget lovers. Are you tired of slow, uneven heating on your stovetop? Do you want to revolutionize your cooking experience with cutting-edge technology? Well, you're in for a treat, because today we're diving into the world of induction cooktops. These sleek, efficient, and precise cooking models are taking kitchens by storm. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 7 induction cooktops that will transform your culinary adventures. Are you ready to discover which one will be your perfect kitchen companion? Let's get cooking. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the Cheftop Induction Cooktop. This portable powerhouse is a game changer for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone who needs an extra cooking surface. After putting it through its paces, I can confidently say that this cooktop packs a punch in a compact package. One of the standout features of the Cheftop is its versatility. With 9 power levels ranging from 200 watts to 1800 watts, you can do everything from gentle simmering to high heat searing. I was particularly impressed by the precision of the temperature control, which allowed me to maintain a consistent heat for delicate sauces without any scorching. The safety features on this unit are top-notch. The automatic pan detection ensures that the cooktop only activates when compatible cookware is placed on the surface. This not only saves energy, but also prevents accidental burns. The built-in timer is another handy addition, allowing you to set cooking times up to 3 hours, perfect for those slow-cooked stews. Cleaning the Cheftop is a breeze thanks to its smooth glass surface. A quick wipe down after use is all it takes to keep it looking pristine. The compact size also means it's easy to store when not in use, making it ideal for those with limited counter space. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some higher-end models, the Cheftop Induction Cooktop offers excellent value for money. Its reliability and efficiency make it a solid choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of induction cooking without breaking the bank. 6. Aobosi Double Induction Cooktop. This dual-burner powerhouse is designed for those who need more cooking capacity without sacrificing counter space. After extensive testing, I found this cooktop to be a reliable workhorse that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease. The standout feature of the Aobosi is its dual cooking zones, each with independent controls. This allows for incredible flexibility in your cooking. I was able to simmer a delicate sauce on one burner while searing a steak on the other, all with precise temperature control. The LED display is clear and easy to read, making adjustments a breeze even in low light conditions. Safety is a priority with this model. The child safety lock function gives peace of mind, especially in households with curious little ones. The auto shoot-off feature is another thoughtful addition, automatically turning off the cooktop if no cookware is detected for 60 seconds. One aspect that really impressed me was the power sharing function. When both burners are in use, the cooktop intelligently distributes power to ensure optimal performance. This means you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously without worrying about one burner underperforming. The Aobosi's sleek black glass surface not only looks elegant, but is also incredibly easy to clean. A simple wipe down after cooking is all it takes to maintain its pristine appearance. While it may be a bit bulkier than single burner models, the added cooking capacity more than makes up for the extra space it occupies. 5. VBGK Double Induction Cooktop 24-inch. This 24-inch beauty is a step up in terms of size and power, offering a more permanent solution for those looking to upgrade their kitchen setup. After putting it through its paces, I can say with confidence that this cooktop is a serious contender for anyone who loves to cook. The first thing that struck me about the VBGK was its sleek, modern design. The black glass surface with touch controls gives it a high-end look that would complement any kitchen decor. But it's not just about looks. This cooktop performs exceptionally well too, with 9 power levels on each burner, ranging from a gentle 100 watts to a powerful 1800 watts. It offers incredible versatility for all types of cooking. One feature that really stood out was the boost function. This allows you to temporarily increase the power output for quick boiling or high heat searing. I found this particularly useful when I needed to quickly bring a pot of water to boil for pasta. The precision of the temperature control is also noteworthy. I was able to maintain a perfect simmer for delicate sauces without any fluctuations. Safety features are abundant on the VBGK. The automatic pan detection ensures that the cooktop only activates when compatible cookware is present. The residual heat indicator is a thoughtful addition, warning you when the surface is still hot even after the cooktop is turned off. The child lock function provides an extra layer of safety, preventing accidental activation. Cleaning the VBGK is a breeze thanks to its smooth surface. Spills wipe away easily, and there are no crevices or burners to clean around. While it's larger than portable models, the sleek design means it doesn't overwhelm the kitchen. If you're looking for a more permanent induction solution that offers power, precision, and style, the VBGK Double Induction Cooktop is definitely worth considering. 4. Empava Double/Dual Induction Cooktop. This sleek and powerful cooktop is a testament to modern cooking technology, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. After extensive testing, I can confidently say that this cooktop is a game changer for any kitchen. The Empava's standout feature is its dual cooking zones with independent controls. Each zone offers 9 temperature levels, ranging from a gentle 100 degrees Fahrenheit to a searing 460 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of control allowed me to simultaneously simmer a delicate sauce on one burner while searing a steak to perfection on the other. The precision of the temperature control is truly impressive. I found I could maintain exact temperatures for tasks like tempering chocolate without any risk of burning. One aspect that really impressed me was the boost function. With a quick touch, you can temporarily increase the power output to 2,100 watts for rapid boiling or high heat cooking. This came in handy when I needed to quickly boil water for pasta or get a quick sear on vegetables for a stir fry. Safety is clearly a priority in the Empava's design. The auto shoot-off feature turns off the cooktop if no cookware is detected for 60 seconds, preventing accidental burns. The child safety lock is another thoughtful addition, giving peace of mind to families with young children. I also appreciated the residual heat indicator, which warns you when the surface is still hot even after the cooktop is turned off. The sleek black vitro-ceramic glass surface not only looks elegant, but is also incredibly easy to clean. Spills and splatters wipe away effortlessly, and there are no crevices or burners to clean around. While it's not a portable unit, its slim profile means it doesn't dominate the kitchen visually. If you're looking for a permanent induction solution that offers power, precision, and style, the Empava Double/Dual Induction Cooktop is a strong contender. Taking the bronze medal at number 3, we have the Cuisinart ICT60 Double Induction Cooktop. This sleek black powerhouse from a trusted kitchen brand proves that good things come in compact packages. After putting it through its paces, I can confidently say that this cooktop is a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen. The Cuisinart ICT60 features 2 independent cooking zones, each with its own set of controls. What impressed me most was the range of heat settings: 8 on the left burner and 5 on the right. This allowed for incredible flexibility in cooking. I could maintain a gentle simmer on one side while bringing water to a rapid boil on the other. The individual 150-minute timers for each burner are a thoughtful addition, perfect for those dishes that require precise cooking times. One standout feature is the power sharing capability. When both burners are in use, the cooktop intelligently distributes power to ensure optimal performance. I found this particularly useful when cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. There was no noticeable drop in performance on either burner. Safety features are abundant on the ICT60. The auto pan detection ensures that the cooktop only activates when compatible cookware is present, saving energy and preventing accidental burns. The heat indicator light is another thoughtful addition, warning you when the surface is still hot even after the cooktop is turned off. The sleek glass surface not only looks elegant, but is also incredibly easy to clean. A quick wipe down after use is all it takes to keep it looking pristine. While it's not as large as some built-in models, its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or as an additional cooking surface in larger kitchens. Sliding into the silver medal position at number 2, we have the Duxtop LCD Portable Double Induction Cooktop. This sleek and powerful unit has proven itself to be a versatile powerhouse in my kitchen tests. If you're looking for a portable solution that doesn't compromise on performance, this cooktop deserves your attention. The standout feature of the Duxtop is its dual cooking zones with independent controls. Each burner offers 20 preset power levels, ranging from 100 watts to 1,800 watts, and 20 preset temperature levels from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of precision allowed me to tackle a wide range of cooking tasks with ease. Whether I was gently melting chocolate or searing a steak, the Duxtop delivered consistent, accurate heat. One aspect that really impressed me was the large LCD display. It's clear, easy to read, and displays all the necessary information at a glance. The touch controls are responsive and intuitive, making adjustments quick and easy even in the middle of cooking. Safety features are abundant on this model. The child safety lock function gives peace of mind, especially in households with young children. The auto pan detection feature ensures that the cooktop only activates when compatible cookware is present, saving energy and preventing accidental burns. I also appreciated the built-in countdown digital timer, which can be set for up to 10 hours, perfect for slow cooking dishes. The Duxtop's portability is a major plus. Despite its dual burners, it's compact enough to be easily stored when not in use or taken on the go for outdoor cooking events. The smooth glass surface is not only elegant, but also incredibly easy to clean. A quick wipe down is all it takes to keep it looking new. And now, drumroll please. Taking the top spot on our list of the best induction cooktops is the Frigidaire FGK 3066 TB Gallery 30 electric induction cooktop. This premium appliance has consistently outperformed its competitors in my extensive testing, proving itself to be the cream of the crop in induction cooking technology. The Frigidaire FGK 3066 TB is a built-in model designed for those who are serious about their cooking. With 4 induction elements of varying sizes, this cooktop offers incredible flexibility for all your cooking needs. The standout feature is the 10-inch element with Power Plus registered technology, capable of delivering up to 3,800 watts of power. This allowed me to bring a large pot of water to boil in record time, a feature that any pasta lover will appreciate. One aspect that truly sets this cooktop apart is its precision. Each element offers 17 temperature settings, allowing for incredibly fine-tuned control over your cooking. Whether I was gently melting chocolate or searing a steak, the Frigidaire maintained exact temperatures without any fluctuations. The auto-sizing trademark pan detection is another impressive feature, automatically detecting the size of your cookware and adjusting the elements to match for optimal efficiency. Safety is clearly a priority in the Frigidaire's design. The hot surface indicator lights provide a clear visual cue when the cooktop is too hot to touch, even after it's been turned off. The control lock feature prevents accidental changes to your cooking settings, a feature I found particularly useful when wiping down the cooktop during use. The sleek black ceramic glass surface not only looks stunning, but is also incredibly easy to clean. Spills and splatters wipe away effortlessly, and there are no crevices or burners to clean around. The smooth surface also allows for easy movement of pots and pans, a small but appreciated detail when you're in the middle of a busy cooking session. While it's not a portable unit, the Frigidaire FGK 3066 TB is designed to seamlessly integrate into your kitchen. Its slim profile and elegant design make it a stylish addition to any modern kitchen. If you're looking for a permanent induction solution that offers unparalleled power, precision, and style, the Frigidaire FGK 3066 TB Gallery 30 electric induction cooktop is, in my opinion, the best choice on the market. Final thoughts. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive countdown of the top 7 induction cooktops available today. From portable powerhouses to built-in beauties, we've covered a range of options to suit every kitchen and cooking style. Whether you're a casual cook or a culinary maestro, an induction cooktop can revolutionize your cooking experience with its speed, efficiency, and precise temperature control. Remember, the best cooktop for you will depend on your specific needs, kitchen space, and cooking habits. Consider factors like the number of burners you need, the power output, safety features, and of course, your budget. Whichever model you choose, you're sure to enjoy the benefits of induction cooking, faster heating, energy efficiency, and easier cleaning. So, are you ready to take your cooking to the next level? Which of these induction cooktops caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!